Smart TV, I can connect to the internet and do whatever.
That is sweet. Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others. Wow, so you actually can play video games on this?
Yes. And it's a smart TV, I can connect to the internet and do whatever.
Oh, okay. That is sweet. Wow. What? Oh, that's a ported enclosure for what, 212s?
Yep.
Nice. Where's the amplifier at? Over
the
other side? Okay. Oh, wow. That is very nice. Oh, I like the verse. All right. Can I come in with you? Does your bat shut on its own, or you have to shut it?
No, I gotta shut it.
Oh, okay.
That TV off. That TV don't like the bass too much.
It doesn't? Okay, yes, sir. So what's your name, man, and what's in here?
Keith Cook. I got two level 3 DC audio 12, Down for Sound JP23 V2. On the subs, I got the JP23-4 on my mids and highs. Getting ready to change it all up. We're getting ready to tear it out. I'm gonna add 2 more DC level 3 12s and wall it off and add 2 more amps.
Okay, are you gonna still keep your back area for the games and all?
Yeah, we're gonna raise the TV up a little bit.
Okay.
I take the PS4 out and put the PS5 in.
Got it, yes sir. Wow. How big is your box and tuning it all? Do you know that?
It's 2 to 32.
32, okay. Any SPL tests?
Never done it.
Never done
an SPL
okay,
test.
that's all right.
This is more of an SQ build. Sound quality.
Okay. And last question, your electrical side of things, like your alternator battery
I got
power.
a 320 amp alternator.
Okay.
Big 3.
Got
Low
it.
gauge wiring.
Okay. You can't really see any mess. It's like perfect, clean.
Right. Yeah, we try to hide everything and make it clean.
Yes, sir. Awesome. Thank you for the info, man. Anything in the doors or stop?
JL audio.
Okay. We'll look under your hood too and check out everything.
Look for it, man. Look around.
Yes, sir. Appreciate it.
In the summer street, tripping and falling, wanting it to happen. I won't stay.
They said if I give you some money, then shit will get better and change. The only thing changed about the shit is I got me some money. The rest of this shit still feeling the same. It probably got worse. Cause now I got cake, everybody gon' want them to pay. As soon as you tell someone no, they gon' call you a hoe. Cause they swear that you all them to feed. You can't even do for yourself with that beat. They gon' go on the internet, make a little post saying, what about me? Shit, what about it? She left me on E, I'm a jungle. I came out that bitch like a bee with the lions and tigers. Can't fuck with no shit. I compete with a nigga who come from the feed. I'm pissed them off when I got on my feet. I'm pissed them off when I got in my bed. If a nigga hate me, know he mad. How the fuck you speak out of hate on the nigga who winning when you know he work for that bag? it, believe in the nigga. I swear we gon' shine even when it get bad. Hey.
Smoking gun was dangerous. That's the way.
Then I'm on the plane, out where you at. Then think about your past. Yeah, I really came from shit, but I won't change for shit. My bitch say I'm stuck in my ways. My wrist say I've been getting paid. 100 shots, 100 shots. Me and my nigga pull up in 100 drops. My role model used to get 100 blocks. Street niggas in a tuxedo with a mob. She looked at my watch too long, now she see stars. I got so high last night, I did a show on Mars. Your bitch ate my dick, I caught her on them bars. My pinky ring, extra large. Phones all in the garage. Remember my first Menage? Yeah, toy and bread. I'm shopping for diamonds at Tiffany's. Nah, I don't got no sympathy. She blew my whistle like a referee. Broke black nigga, remember me? Till I found out that recipe. Started getting about 10 a week. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, I'd rather you than me. Backseat smoking good weed. 100 shots, 100 shots, 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a Phones all in the garage. Remember my first Menage? Yeah, toy and bread. I'm shopping for diamonds at Tiffany's. Nah, I don't got no feelings. The only thing changed about this shit is I got me some money. The rest of this shit still feel the same. Probably got worse. Cause now I got cake, everybody gon' want them to beat. As soon as you tell someone no, they gon' call you a hoe cause they swear that you owe them a fee. You can't even do for yourself cause they beat. They gon' go on the internet, make a little post saying, what about me? Shit, what about you? Left me on E in the truck and I came out that bitch like a beat. With the lions and tigers, can't fuck with no shit. Can't compete with a nigga who come from the field. I'm Christian Marvel, I got on my feet. I'm Christian Marvel, I got in my bag. If a nigga hate me, know he mad. How the fuck you speak out and hate on the nigga who winning when you know he work for that bag? Swear it function, this word and they said. But I'm good for it all, that's a fact. But the ones who stay down and believe in the nigga, I swear we gon' shine even when it get bad. Hey. That Tiffany's. Nah, I don't got no sympathy. She blew my whistle like a referee. Broke black nigga, remember me? Till I found out that recipe. Started getting about 10 a week. Finger on the trigger when I sleep. Yeah, nigga, I'd rather you than me. Backseat smoking good weed. 100 shots, 100 shots, 100 shots. How the fuck you miss a
Awesome, man. I appreciate the demo. Your name?
Keith.
Keith. Thank you, Keith.
Yeah, man.